In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. It's a skill that's incredibly useful for anyone who frequently works with PDFs, whether for professional, academic, or personal purposes. So let's dive right in and get started on this straightforward process. First things first, open up Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Once you've got the application up and running, you'll find yourself on the home page. On this page, you have the option to either create a new document or jump straight into some of your recent work. If you're picking up where you left off, simply go ahead and click on the Recent option. This will present you with a list of your most recently accessed documents, making it convenient to jump back into any ongoing projects. Next, choose the document you wish to edit from this list of recent files. Once you've selected your document, you'll see a variety of tools and options at the top navigation bar. Among these options, look for and select the Edit function. It's a handy tool that opens up a world of possibilities within your PDF document, allowing you to make changes and additions as needed. Once you've clicked on Edit, focus on the Text option within this toolbar. Selecting this will enable you to modify text within your PDF seamlessly. Now, you're in a mode where you can click on any text within your document to make changes. Simply place your cursor over the text you want to alter, click, and a blinking cursor will appear within the text box, indicating that you're ready to start editing. From here, you've got a range of options at your disposal. You can change the size of the text to better fit your document's layout or to make it more readable. If you wish to switch up the font, Adobe Acrobat Pro offers various font styles to choose from, allowing you to tailor the appearance to your liking or match it with existing styles. Additionally, the color can be modified to ensure that the text pops or blends in depending on your aesthetic goals. It doesn't stop there. Adobe Acrobat Pro provides further customization tools, giving you the flexibility to adjust more than just the basics. Experiment with line spacing, text alignment, and other formatting options till you achieve the perfect look for your document. And that's it. You now know how to edit text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save icon or using the shortcut Ctrl+S or Command+S on your keyboard. Practicing these steps will make you more proficient in handling PDF documents, enhancing your productivity and the quality of your work. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.